Topic 1: Intellectual property right. So, before understanding copyright, let us understand what is intellectual property law. So, intellectual property means your right on your creations of your mind. So, like I own my house, a property, or I own a car, or I own my television set, I can own creations of my mind. Now, this creations of mind can be in a very different form. It could be a painting, it could be a novel, it could be a essay, or it could be a new idea by which I'm going to develop a new product. So whatever are creations of my mind, that is recognized as my own creation, and I only will get right to enjoy the benefits associated with it. So this is known as intellectual property right. Now this is a right which is uh, recognized internationally, and it comes at two levels: individual level and at organization level. So we'll see that which rights are individual level, which rights are at corporate level. Now, first of all, let us just recap what we saw. So, first thing is that intellectual property rights are given for creations of mind. These rights are given to innovators and authors for their original ideas or creation, and this give them recognition and enable them to earn from whatever they have invented or created, which is a fair thing to do. Now, we'll see that there are different types of intellectual property rights. It could be a patent for new ideas, it could be a copyright for expressions, for which we'll talk about in this series, it could be for the design, it could be for a trades and service marks which is generally enjoyed by corporations. It could be given to an individual also. Then there are specific rights for semiconductor integrated circuit design. This is very important for computer hardware industry. And then what is copyright then? So copyright is an automatic right enjoyed by author or artist or musician or a sculptor or a programmer on their original creation. Let us keep that in mind. We'll take it in next micro session. And there are some intellectual property rights which are collective rights, which are called community rights. Geographic identification is one of them. If you talk about Darjeeling tea, now, the only people in the region of Darjeeling can brand their tea as Darjeeling tea and sell it. So, this is a protection given to a specific geography, a specific community. Then you have biodiversity convention, which is more about farmers' right. Now, these are not actually covered under intellectual property law. It is covered under environment regime. But then also it is very important to know that there are rights to protect for farmers as a community, and these are known are covered under biodiversity identification. And then there's a new emerging area which is increasingly being used, which are trade secrets. So trade secret is a very separate topic. It is more of a negative right, and I plan to do one series on that as well. So let us go to second micro session where we'll talk about who, what, where we'll get copyright, on which things we'll get copyright.